In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an image URL in .jpg format from Google Drive. Whether you're looking to share a photo with friends, use an image in a blog post, or incorporate it into a presentation, having a direct URL to your image can be incredibly useful. However, Google Drive doesn't always make this process as straightforward as it could be. So, let's dive into the steps needed to achieve this, and I'll guide you through each part of the process, offering tips along the way to make it as clear and simple as possible. First, you'll need to have your image uploaded to Google Drive. Ensure that the image is in the .jpg format, as this is the format we're aiming to obtain the URL for. If your image is in a different format, you may want to convert it to .jpg before proceeding. Once your image is uploaded, head over to Google Drive and locate the file you're interested in. Click on it to select the file. With the file selected, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find a toolbar. Click the Get Link icon, which looks like a chain link, or alternatively, right-click the file and select Get Link from the context menu that appears. A sharing window will pop up with options on how you would like to share the file. Here, by default, the link is restricted to specific people. You will need to adjust these settings to get a usable image URL. Click on the Restricted drop-down menu and select Anyone with the link. This step ensures that anyone who has the URL can view the image, which is crucial for obtaining a proper link. Be mindful if this is a personal or sensitive image, as this setting allows broad access. After setting your sharing options, you'll notice a text box at the top containing the link you're going to use. But wait, we're not done yet. This link points to a Google Drive interface, not directly to the image itself. What you'll need to do is adjust the URL. Here's how. Copy the sharing URL provided. The default link looks something like this: drive.google.com/file.id file/idview USP e-sharing. To make it a direct download link that acts like a URL to an image, replace the part of the URL that says View USP sharing with export format JPG file/ID. Make sure to keep your specific file ID intact in the URL. And there you have it, a direct URL to your .jpg image on Google Drive. Remember that anyone with this link will have access to your image, so share it wisely. This conversion allows you to embed your image in blogs, share it on social media, or simply keep it handy. Practice these steps a few times, and it'll become second nature. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy sharing.